Unlock the power, choosing Ar-ridoniy Integrated Services for all your electrical needs. Searching for a qualified, trusted electrician? Look no further. Ar-ridoniy Integrated Services is here to illuminate your path. We are more than just a service, we're your electrical solution. We offer professional installations, ensuring your home or business is wired correctly. General maintenance and repair. We've got you covered. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle any electrical hurdles that come our way. Lighting and fittings are our specialty. We bring light into your world, ensuring every corner of your space is brilliantly lit. We are not just about traditional electricity. We also provide solar and renewable energy solutions, helping you to go green. Choose Ar-ridoniy Integrated Services today. Let us power your world with our exceptional electrical solutions. Your satisfaction is our top priority.